A, B, K, D, F, E, J. A, B, K, D,
can you hear me?
G, E, J, K, up. A, B,
I want to hear you.
A, B, K, D, F, G. A, B, K, D, F.
I'm going to talk about this right now.
E, J.
You know what? Let me try this letter sound to Steve Overmyer.
D,
Let me get it.
F,
Let him get it.
G.
Come on. Okay, listen up, listen up.
A, B.
Hey, can you hear me? Here's the lip letter sound for Steve Overmyer. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, can you open your wide mouth, Steve Overmyer? Focus your letter, Mr. Steve Overmyer. Can you open your wide mouth and open your mouth wisely, Steve?
Ball. C, cat, and D, dog. E, apple. B, the ball. C, cat, and D, dog. E, elephant.
Okay.
Fan. G, go, and H, hand. I, igloo. J,
Okay.
Elephant, F, fan, G,
Alright, we get your lips letter sound. Come on. You know what?
Dog. E, elephant, F, fan, G, go, and H.
Can you? All right, Steve Overmyer. Can you open your wide lips, Steve Overmyer? Oh, you know what? You need to concentrate on your letters, Steve Overmyer. Concentrate on your letters, Steve. You know, beautiful lips is no annoying.
K, kite, and L, lamb. M, monster, and net. O,
This.
The anti-fighter is now on a collision course into a residential area. Passengers continue to escape from the plane and scramble for safety. And the critical temperature is reached. A huge blast of heat spreads out. The explosive fire radiates heat so intense that people more than 200 meters away suffer